Hey, how's everybody doing after this frigid week? Not a good weekend when it's 50 below and there's sun. There's snow, but nothing. Can't play if it's too cold. So hopefully you stayed warm. Welcome back to online PE. I hope things are going well. We miss you here, but I hope that everything's going well for you. We're going to continue the physical and health literacy trend, do a little video on that, and then we'll have some fun. I'm going to resurface a video I did last spring called the Cowboy Ninja Bear Battle, a little fitness challenge. So I hope you enjoy that. So here is our lesson. What are we learning about today? What is the benefit of physical and health literacy? And I spelled literacy wrong. Oh well, I'll fix that later. Why are we going to learn it? Helps you make healthy choices. So both of these will create confidence and education. You'll be educated in what you need to do and why you need to do it. And then how am I going to know? How will you know? You can explain the importance of physical literacy, which we talked about we introduced it last week. You can explain the importance of health literacy. And you can explain what healthy choices look like. So hopefully these are some things that you can carry on in your life, not just now. These are all important things you need to understand as you get older. All right. So the first video, it's the second video in a 3-part series on exploring physical and health literacy. And then your workout is going to be the Cowboy Ninja Bear Battle. I'm going to pop it open so you can see a little bit of it. If you did it last spring, it's still pretty fun. As you can see, this is from last spring, and it just kind of is you and I battling at Cowboy Ninja Bear. So you'll enjoy it. There's different activities you're going to do. 2-foot jump, 1-foot hop. We'll have some good things you're going to do. So I'll go back. All right. After you're done with that again, I'm going to continue these 4 things for exercise. It's just so important. Hopefully you didn't win every time, so you can do this. Some of you guys like to win all the time. I do not. I lose all the time, but that's all right. And then again, we'll check your learning targets when you're done with this. If you can answer these questions, you are where you need to be. Some of them are a little more confusing, but that's okay. We want to dig deep and try to get an understanding on what health and physical literacy is all about. Well, like I said, I miss you guys. I love seeing some of your answers. Remember, send it to your teacher also, or different time, but make sure your teacher sees first. But I love seeing anything from you guys. So great job. I hope things are going well for you. And if you need anything that your online teacher cannot help with, please don't hesitate to ask. All right. See you guys later.